Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty by Nisha. My name's Nisha and today I'm going to be showing you what was in the FabFitFun Fall Box for 2018. So if you want to see all the add-ons as well as what's inside the box, continue to watch and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I'll start with some of my add-ons because there's a few things that were like a really good deal that normally FabFitFun doesn't have, but it was kind of a hint in like what was in the box. So when you see like a whole lot of one company basically on that, like they've never had anything in the box that has to do with the company previously, and you see a lot of the add-ons and they're on sale for that actual like brand or company or whatever. In this case it was GLAMGLOW. So for the GLAMGLOW, I was like, there's a lot of GLAMGLOW on sale. So I was curious to think that probably there's something in the box that is GLAMGLOW. But because it was like so many add-ons were GLAMGLOW like masks and stuff, and they're a really good deal, I had to jump on it. So I actually bought like 2 of everything that I wanted. So the first thing that I haven't tried yet is the GLAMGLOW Waterburst. So this is a hydrated glow moisturizer. Personally, I love GLAMGLOW. I've never had an issue with any of their masks. There's a few masks that I love like so much, and I actually stocked up on those as well because they were on sale with the add-ons. Normally the regular price is about $60 for their mask. I'm not 100% sure, but I will put it down below in the description how much I actually paid for these products in US because it's in US. But I will just get started with what I bought. So I bought the GLAMGLOW Waterburst, the moisturizer. I haven't used it yet, so I'm not 100% sure how moisturizing it is, but I've heard a lot of really great reviews, and it's perfect for the winter time coming up here shortly. Next, I have tried their Gravity Mud Firming Treatment, just the regular one in the purple like container. But I went ahead and got the glitter mask because I mean, why wouldn't you want to get the glitter firming mask that just peels off? Like, it's perfect for like Instagram and like YouTube and stuff. So I went ahead and I bought 2 of these as well. I do like the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment just regardless, like on its own. So, and I'm almost out of the one I currently have, so I decided to go ahead and buy 2 of these because again, it was a good deal and couldn't pass it up. And then the last GLAMGLOW mask that I got is something that I absolutely live by, especially when I have breakouts. So when my skin is really oily and I can feel a breakout coming on, I use this mask, or if my skin has already broke out, I use this mask as well. So this mask is my all-time favorite from GLAMGLOW, and the first mask I've ever tried from them is the GLAMGLOW Supermud. So it's a clay mask. It's perfect for breakouts and oily skin if that's one of your problems or issues with your skin. I use this all the time. I recommend that you don't leave them for too long because they do dry up. Personally, I use it so often, especially when I'm traveling and stuff like that, because I know that when I'm eating all those delicious greasy foods that I normally eat when I travel, I am going to have a breakout and my skin is super oily, and this mask saves the day. So that was it for GLAMGLOW on my add-ons. I went and got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Effect. This is a pore refining cream. So I've never used this before, but I have heard and seen good things about it, so I decided to go ahead and just give it a try. It's just a cream that you put on your face, supposed to help refine and tighten pores. And then last but not least for the add-ons, they had the Aquis hair towels again, which normally are really expensive and I would never buy them regular price, but they're like microfiber. They're really good for your hair. The last time they had them, I bought 2 and I am absolutely obsessed with them. But I mean, it can't hurt to have more than 2, so I went ahead and bought 2 more. These are like super soft. They're so great for my hair. They dry my hair really easily, as well as they dry really quickly on their own. So if you hang them up to dry, like within 24 hours, they're dry and good to go. I mean, I have like quite a bit of hair, so it dries my hair pretty well. And it's just better for your hair, like microfiber. Like it doesn't whip your hair out when like regular towels. Like I highly suggest using microfiber towels if you can. And if you ever see these towels as an add-on for the FabFitFun box, I suggest jumping on it because it's always a really good deal. So that's it for my add-on. So let's get started into the actual box itself. So the fall box had some actually really good stuff. I didn't do an unboxing for the summer box, but the summer box was also really good. But the fall box, perfect for fall. So let's get started and jump into the actual FabFitFun Fall Box itself. Okay, so here is the FabFitFun Fall Box, getting me all ready and juiced up for fall. Okay, so I'll start with like some of the basics. Like one of like the smaller things that you got was a Luna Rica salted caramel nut bar. I haven't eaten it yet, but I will eat it pretty soon here because it actually looks pretty good. It has like cashew butter filled with fruit and nut bar. I like when they add little things like this in because it's like a little healthy like snack, and like if I really like it, I'm probably gonna buy them and buy more. Next, they gave a Crown Pro for pros by pros a 6-piece brush set. So I haven't even opened this up yet. I just saw that it was in there. I actually just recently bought some brushes from Morphe, and I have like already a bunch of brushes, so more brushes the merrier. Can't go wrong. So it comes in this like really nice, it's not real leather, but nice case. And then it comes with all these brushes. So it looks like you get more or less like a liner brush, and then this is like a foundation, or not foundation, eyeshadow brush, and this one looks like it's concealer and powder and all that fun stuff. So just a cute little set that you can kind of use and bring with you everywhere. Let's just see how soft they are. It's not too bad, it's pretty soft. And then I got a towel. So this is just like looks like it's just like a hand towel. So let's open it up and see what it feels like. Yeah, it definitely feels just like a regular. Oh, there's the set of 2. You can't go wrong with hand towels. Like, this will be perfect for the kitchen or the washroom. I can put 1 in the kitchen, 1 in the washroom. 2, that's pretty awesome. They're just like regular hand towel material. They're not anything too crazy, not super soft or anything. They also put in headphones, so they're wireless earbuds. They're pretty cool. I like that they're white with a like pinkish like rose goldy color in the middle of them. That's personally like what I would go for. I haven't used them yet, but I'll probably use them for the gym, so that's pretty exciting that I got a new pair of headphones. Hopefully they are good and they work well. Okay, and they gave in the box, they put in a Skin & Co shower gel. I haven't heard much about Skin & Co, so this is new for me. It's the Italian Collection limited edition, so we'll give this a try and see how it works. I mean, shower gels are just good in general to have. They also put in a Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. Ooh, so this one has Camilla Geranium Blossom. Let's see here. So it's for hydrating your skin, perfect for the fall and winter. I'm excited to give this a try. I haven't heard too much about this brand either, but it looks like it is more of like a natural type of brand. So super clean beauty, that's awesome. Who doesn't love that? It's better for your skin that way usually. So I'll give this a try. Hopefully it works really well and is very hydrating. So this is one thing that I was like super excited about that they put in the box, and it's the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. I've heard a lot of really great things about this Pharmacy brand. I haven't bought anything from them yet, but they are more of like a natural brand themselves, so I'm really excited to give this eye cream a try. I love trying different eye creams to see how it brightens up as well as how it stays throughout the day. The best eye creams are the ones where you put the eye cream on and then you put your lotion on and you're like, I could do a no makeup day because my face looks bright and like alive because of the eye cream that I put on. So hopefully this one does that for me. I'm actually super excited to give this a try and use this one. I recently bought a different eye cream than the one I usually use. The one I usually use is the Fresh Ginseng no, it's not Fresh. It's Origins. Origins, the ginseng eye cream. And then I switched over and now I use the banana eye cream. So I'm excited to maybe make another switch here. A little cute like packaging it has. And who knows, what if it's like really good and it sets me towards using more of the pharmacy products and I buy more skincare from them. You never know. One of the things that you had a choice of, I can't remember what the other choice was, but I chose the teapot for some reason because I thought it would be better. And oh, it was a French press. It was a French press or the teapot. And I already have a French press and a teapot you just can't go wrong with. I could potentially bring it to work with me and have tea all day long at my desk. So here it is. Let's take it out of the packaging. Here is the teapot. It's super cute. I really like this actually. I'm probably going to actually bring this to work with me and leave it at my desk and fill it up with hot water so I have tea all day long. Okay, and the last two things were super awesome and honestly you just like can't go wrong with. I was right about what they were putting in the box in regards to GLAMGLOW. In the GLAMGLOW, or in the FabFitFun box, they put GLAMGLOW bubble sheets and they gave you 2. I'm so excited to give these a try. Like I see them all over Instagram and I see like them bubble up and everything. And I'm like pretty excited to like just see like how they work and stuff and if they work. And they're not just like for show. So I'm super excited to like try these. So stay tuned for me showing you what this does and what it looks like and potentially a small little caption review on my Instagram. But super awesome to get in the box. Like I love when they give me stuff I've never tried from a company that I like super like love and like live by. So thank you, FabFitFun and GLAMGLOW. And last but not least, you honestly cannot go wrong with like, I don't know, you could have like 20 of these and it wouldn't even matter. Like any other person would understand why you have so many of these, which I quite honestly have a lot. And I was actually really excited to get another one because they can be a little pricey. So what they put in the box was a original beauty blender. Personally, I live by the beauty blenders. I don't really use any other sponges. The Real Techniques ones, I haven't tried those yet, but those are something next on my list too. I don't know if I, as like more of like a budget sponge instead of spending so much money on the beauty blenders. But I have so many beauty blenders because I usually buy them and stock up on some when Sephora has their sale or when any like beauty blender is at a retailer that has them on sale. I always jump on them and buy them. Okay, so that was everything that I got as add-ons as well as everything that was included in the FabFitFun Fall Box. Just a short little unboxing. I wanted to make it short and sweet to show you what was inside as well as what I got. Stay tuned for the description down below. We'll have everything that I got as an add-on, what the prices were compared to the regular price. I'll also put the value of what was in the FabFitFun box in the description below. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I hope that this kind of steers you in the direction to subscribe to FabFitFun. And if you also in this description want to subscribe, I have a link to actually do that as well. So you can go and subscribe and get your first FabFitFun box. And you also get a discount on top of that first FabFitFun box. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and a like, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.